Good morning everyone. Welcome again. આપણો ત્રીજું સેશન છે આજે Know Your Metro Family નું અને as usual we are getting a good response. Unfortunately ખબર નહીં કદાચ સન્ડે મોર્નિંગ છે એટલે આપણે ધારીએ છીએ એટલા મેમ્બર્સ નથી જોઈન કરી શકતા. પ્રોબ્લી નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણે વિચાર કરવું પડશે જો ટાઈમિંગ ચેન્જ કરવું હોય કે દિવસ ચેન્જ કરવો હોય બીકોઝ જે લોકો હાજર રહે છે એ લોકોનો રિસ્પોન્સ બહુ જ સારો હોય છે પણ we are seeing that we are not getting the kind of attendance that we should for this kind of a program. Anyway, to move ahead, આજથી એક નવું ફોર્મેટ I would like to introduce. Our format ma what I have decided is કે એક senior member જે છે he will become a point of contact for the new members who will be introducing themselves today. એટલે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ આજે મેં આપણા પ્રેસિડેન્ટ ઇલેક્ટ વત્સલભાઈને નોમિનેટ કર્યા છે કે ઈ હું જે ચાર નામ આપું એમને નવા મેમ્બર્સના ઈ એમને કોન્ટેક્ટ કરશે અને એમને આજે બોલવાનું ઇન્વિટેશન આપશે. હવે ધ આઈડિયા ઓફ ધીસ ઇઝ કે એક સિનિયર મેમ્બર વિલ એસ્ટાબ્લિશ અ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ કોન્ટેક્ટ વિથ 4 ન્યૂ મેમ્બર્સ. એવી રીતે કરીને વી કેન એસ્ટાબ્લિશ અ વેરી ગુડ નેટવર્ક બિટવીન ધોઝ 5 પીપલ. So this is the format that we are going to introduce from today. So every senior member will get a chance to make a point of contact with relatively new members, and so at least we have a network of 5 people who know each other very well during this process. So before going ahead and talking too much, let me just hand over the mic to Vatsalbhai today, who will be conducting the entire program today. Vatsalbhai, please take over.
Thank you, Emily Ben, and welcome everyone. Today we have three new members presenting themselves. One is Dr. Prathamesh Jain. We have Rotarian Radhe Patel and Dr. Praveen Sarda. So I would request our first person Prathamesh Jain to introduce himself, and you will be given 5 to 7 minutes in which you need to talk about yourself, your profession, your achievements, as well as something about your family and why you joined Rotary and what you expect from Rotary. So, Prathamesh bhai, over to you.
It's to be here and between all of us, and I'll just share a small presentation. Okay, I just need to talk, or I need to present?
Oh, you can present. I have made you a co-host, so you will be able to share your screen.
Okay. So it's just a small thing. First of all, I like to thank Rotary for making me a part of this nice family. So basically I am presently at Advanced Hospital, and it is right on the Pakwan Crossroads. And I did my education from AIIMS, and after that I was in US for a year. And these are my educational qualifications. And we run a small fellowship program. So that is something I would like all of you to know about. So anybody who is interested in learning arthroscopic surgery is most welcome to visit our center. And we do have some small presentations abroad. And I had a good stint, very good time at Shelby Hospital. I was there in Shelby Hospital for about 7 years. In that time, we treated a lot of celebrities like Graeme Smith. He was injured at that time when he was playing IPL, and he had a fracture, and we managed the case. And at present, we are at Advanced Hospital. It's a 15-bedded setup right on Pakwan Crossroads, and we have a small family. It's a 15-bedded setup, but we are able to manage all complicated surgeries in this setup. Just a small word about the family. Dr. Deepti, she's my better half. She's a gynecologist, and she also has an experience of 5 years at Shelby Hospitals and 2 years at Zydus Hospitals. And about my family, we have 2 kids, Divyanshi and Harshil. Divyanshi is in 6th class, Harshil is in 2nd class. And my parents are basically from Udaipur. They keep coming here. My father is a businessman. Mother is she's retired from government service. She was a lecturer. And at present, basically, I am more focusing my work at my own hospital. And facing a tough time nowadays because of COVID, but we are trying our best to maintain the hospital and everything in spite of the COVID scenario. I have gained a lot. Actually, I'm a member for Rotary for last 2 years, and I have actually had a very nice membership, nice friendships with all Mehul sir, Shashank sir, everybody, Vatsal bhai, Rutuj bhai, and share a very nice memories of Rotary in this my short membership span. Thank you.
Thanks, Prathamesh bhai. That was a nice introduction. Now we'll have the second member, Rotarian Radhe Patel, talking about himself. Over to you, Radhe bhai.
હેલો એવરીબડી, મારું નામ રાધે પટેલ છે. હું બેઝિકલી મોડાસાનો છું. છેલ્લા 15 વર્ષથી અમદાવાદમાં સેટલ થયો છું અને હું પોતે બિલ્ડર છું અને મારી મોનાર્ક ઇન્ફ્રાસ્પેસ પ્રાઇવેટ લિમિટેડ કરીને કંપની ચાલે છે, જેમાં અમે વેરિયસ સ્કીમો કરીએ છીએ. અત્યારે કમર્શિયલ સ્કીમ ચાલે છે મારી અહીંયા સામવેદ હોસ્પિટલની બાજુમાં, અને બાયડ એક ટાઉન પ્લેસ છે ત્યાં 170 બંગલાની સ્કીમ ચાલે છે, અને લેન્ડ સાથે બી હું જોડાયેલો છું. પહેલા અમે કમર્શિયલમાં ડોક્ટર હાઉસ બનાવવાનું વિચારતા હતા, એટલે પ્રથમેશભાઈ ડોક્ટર સાહેબની જોડે એમનો ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ થયો એટલે એકદમ કરું છું કે પહેલા અમે ડોક્ટર હાઉસ બનાવવાનું વિચારતા હતા, પછી એમાંથી અમે કન્વર્ટ કરીને ત્યાં કમર્શિયલ બનાવી દીધું. મારી વાઈફ હાઉસવાઈફ છે અને મારો સન નિરમા સ્કૂલમાં ભણે છે 9th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડમાં, અને મારા ફાધર પોલિટિશિયન છે, એ ત્યાં મોડાસા રહે છે, એ કોંગ્રેસ સાથે સંકળાયેલા છે. હું પોતે બીજેપી સાથે સંકળાયેલો છું, મારા ફાધર કોંગ્રેસ સાથે સંકળાયેલા છે. હું પણ પહેલા કોંગ્રેસમાં NSUI નો જનરલ સેક્રેટરી હતો પ્રદેશનો, ગુજરાત પ્રદેશમાં. મેં કોંગ્રેસ છોડીને પછી બીજેપીમાં એક્ટિવ થયો, પણ અત્યારે ટોટલી પોલિટિક્સથી બહાર છું. અને લાસ્ટ 15 વર્ષથી હું અમદાવાદમાં જોઈન થયો છું. ઋત્વિજભાઈ અને નચિકેત માવલંકર એ મારા બેસ્ટ ફ્રેન્ડ છે, અને ઋત્વિજ એના આગલા વર્ષે હું જોઈન થયેલો હતો રોટરી ક્લબમાં, જ્યારે મનનભાઈ અને ફાલ્ગુનભાઈ હતા એ વખતે હું જોઈન થયેલો. પછી મેં 1 વર્ષ છોડી દીધું, પાછું ઋત્વિજભાઈના કહેવાથી ફરી જોઈન થયો છું, અને દરેક મિત્રને મળીને મને ખૂબ આનંદ થયો. થેન્ક યુ.
Yeah, thanks Radhe bhai. બીજું કઈ આપ કહેવા માંગો રોટરી વિશે કે તમે રોટરી સેના માટે જોઈન કરી કે શું એક્સપેક્ટ કરો છો? એનીથિંગ એટ ઓલ?
હવે મારી પ્રોપર્ટી વેચાય, તમે બધા સપોર્ટ કરો અને પ્રોપર્ટી વેચાય, બસ એ જ એક્સેપ્ટ કરું છું, બીજું તો શું કરું.
થેન્ક્સ અ લોટ, થેન્ક યુ.
અને આપણે બંને તો એક જ લાઈનના છે, તમે આર્કિટેક્ટ છો, હું બિલ્ડર છું, કે આગળ કે જોડે કામ કરીશું.
Done. Yeah. Thanks. Now over to our third participant today, Dr. Praveen Sarda. Dr. Saab, over to you.
Thank you, Vatsal bhai. Hi, good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Praveen Sarda, and I'm also an orthopedic surgeon by profession, with super specialization in shoulder and elbow problems. And I'm very thankful to Kalpesh bhai for introducing me to this club, and to the admin committee for accepting me as a member of this esteemed club. So just to come back to why I joined Rotary, I think that's what Vatsal bhai said I should focus on. So I'll just give you a brief background about myself first. So I did my medical college and my post-graduation from BJ Medical, Ahmedabad. And I was here for about 10-12 years at that time. I loved the place so much that even after I left the country in 2004 to go to England to pursue higher studies, I was always attracted by this place to come back. So even though I had a successful practice in London and Manchester, and I was missing my family, and I was missing this city, so we shifted back to India last year. Hello, can you hear me? Yes, go ahead. Yeah, so we shifted back to India last year, as my mother was alone, and sometimes she was not keeping well, so that was the primary reason. And so we've been out for nearly
Hello.
we have lost him.
I think we can ask him to log out and log back in. I'll just call him up. તો
हाँ वत्सल भाई
અચ્છા મેં ફોન કર્યો પણ એમનો નો રિપ્લાય આવે છે એટલે આઈ થિંક વી વેટ ફોર અ ફ્યુ સેકન્ડ્સ ઓર આઈ ડોન્ટ નો.
let us wait for him.
ઓકે,
Let's wait, Vatsalbhai. I'm sure he's trying to get back.
શ્યોર.
Vatsalbhai, let's do one thing. In the meantime, આપણે આટલા જણા છે. If anybody would like to come forward and introduce themselves, that would be nice. Impromptu, improvise કરીને કોઈને જો ક્લબ વિશે કઈ કેવું હોય કે પોતા વિશે કઈ કેવું હોય તો most welcome.
વત્સલભાઈ તમે જ તમારા વિશે કહી દો કાંઈ.
એકચ્યુઅલી બીજા બધા તો મને ઓળખે છે એટલે ખાસ બીજું કઈ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન નથી. આઈ એમ એન આર્કિટેક્ટ ફ્રોમ School of Architecture, CEPT, Ahmedabad, and I have even studied at Australia as an exchange student for 1 year at Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology. ત્યાંનો એક્સપિરિયન્સ બહુ સરસ રહેલો. અહીંયા બી મેં ફાઇનલ યરમાં મને ગોલ્ડ મેડલ મળેલું અને since last 20 years I am practicing more of interior designing કારણ કે when I started my practice there was earthquake અને building activities એકદમ halt થઈ ગયેલી એટલે તે વખતે I got more interior design projects and that's what I've been doing અને ઘણું બધું મેં જુદા જુદા interior designing building types કરેલા છે. I've done residences, apartments, weekend homes, I've done offices, private and corporate offices, hospitals કરેલી છે. આઈ હોસ્પિટલ્સ 3 કરેલી છે, એક ENT હોસ્પિટલ કરેલી છે, બેંક કરેલી છે, એમ્કો બેંક ની બ્રાન્ચીસ, બેન્ક્વેટ હોલ્સ અને a wide variety of projects. ને recently I am also doing architectural work. આપણા જે એક રોટેરિયન છે કાંકરિયાના એમનો બંગલો I am designing from scratch એટલે we demolished this old bungalow અને foundations થી આખો બંગલો બનાવી રહ્યો છું અને I'm looking for more of architectural work now. Since I'm an architect, I like those kind of projects. Baki interiors to I'm doing. And, in my family, I have 2 daughters, Fiona and Pearl. Fiona first year of college ma avi, ene Anant ma લીધું છે, Anand Institute, Anand University. My interior design no course લીધેલો છે અને નાની daughter હજી 7th માં છે. And my wife Sapna, she's actually a BCom. She was pursuing LLB when we married. એના પછી એને post marriage interior design નો course કર્યો polytechnic માંથી, private polytechnic માંથી અને she helps me in my work. બાકી I like traveling, I like to see movies, થોડા હટકે movies, not the regular ones. Commercial movies નહીં, મને થોડા કંઈક offbeat movies ગમે. રીડિંગ નો શોખ છે, હું પોતે સ્ટોરીઝ લખું છું, પોએટ્રી લખું છું, મેં 2 બુક્સ પબ્લિશ કરેલી છે અને that's about it. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you Vatsal bhai for chipping in. I think we have Dr. Praveen Sharda with us. So, Praveen bhai,
Great.
પાછું ફ્રીઝ થઈ ગયું લાગે છે એમનું.
Sorry, I got disconnected, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I think there was some problem with my internet connection. Hello.
Yes, we are able to hear you.
Hello. Am I audible now? I think I'm. Jarak, let me just change my place. Okay. I don't know at what point એટલે અડધે સુધી કદાચ disconnect થઈ ગયું હતું. Is that right?
Yes, you can start from the beginning, Praveen ji.
Okay. Yeah, so thank you very much. I'll start from the beginning. I joined this club. મારી કલ્પેશભાઈ સાથે વચ્ચે વાત થઈ હતી and કલ્પેશભાઈ strongly recommended કે બહુ સારો club છે. So I'm very grateful to him for introducing me to this club. And as I said before, basically I'm an orthopedic surgeon. મારું super specialization છે shoulder elbow problems માં. And just something about me and my career so far. So I did my medical college and my PG in MS Ortho from BJ Medical Ahmedabad, and I was here for about 12 years. So I really liked the place and I always wanted to come back. I left for England in 2004 to do higher studies. So I did my FRCS and my European exams, and I was a consultant there since 2012. But I was always attracted, wanted to come back, and somehow my family circumstances changed in a way. My mother was alone and not keeping so well. So we finally decided to come back after 15 years. Last year we came back. One of the other motivations was to be a part of the change in society. I don't know if I spoke about this before, but I'll just repeat that because for me that is also important and one of the reasons why I'm joining Rotary. So to be a part of the change, one of the first thing I did was to join Polio Foundation. I go there once a week to cater to the sections of the society who will not be able to come to the corporate hospital to see me. And also, being out of the country for so long, I'm looking to build a good social circle, and I look forward to Rotary Club. Potentially, it provides me with an extended family, so we can enjoy our social life as well. But also, about the social causes, this is a peer group, and I think we are all like-minded. કે આપણે બધા જેવું વિચારીએ કે આપણે society માટે કંઈક કરીએ. તો એમાં I would expect and I would like some support. એટલે એક વસ્તુ જે મને થોડુંક passion છે is to improve the extremely poor road traffic. એટલે traffic sense જે છે એના લીધે એટલા બધા એક્સિડન્ટ થતા હોય છે. People actually die on the roads. And again, after I came back, I contacted Dr. Praveen Kanabar. અમારા બહુ senior orthopedic surgeon છે. એ બી એક Rotary Club ના member છે. I don't think it's this one. But he has established an organization called ATCC, Ahmedabad Traffic Consultative Committee, and they work with the Traffic Police Department to address various issues. એટલું એમની સાથે ઘણીવાર I'm trying to do something at a smaller level to improve things. And the other thing is, I have something in my mind. There's a campaign to help the poor people that you see selling small items on the road. એટલે આપણે ટ્રાફિક સિગ્નલ પર ઉભા હોઈએ ત્યારે ઘણીવાર લોકો વસ્તુઓ વેચવા આવતા હોય છે અથવા બેગિંગ કરવા આવતા હોય છે. And there is something very simple we can all do to help these people, and I will talk about that on this platform, hopefully at a later date. તો એ બધું મારું થોડુંક સોશિયલ જે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ છે. કમિંગ ટુ માય પ્રોફેશનલ, તો જે મારું પ્રોફેશનલ અચીવમેન્ટ્સની વાત કરીએ તો એમએસમાં અને જે યુરોપિયન એક્ઝામ્સ ત્યાં બી આપી મેં. I passed those with distinction and a gold medal. અને મારે અત્યારે ત્યાં બી I have a license to practice in both Europe and England with this specialization of shoulder and elbow. I was one of the youngest surgeons to be appointed consultant in England. એટલે ત્યાં 7-8 વર્ષ consultant તરીકે practice કરી હતી મેં. And I've published about 20 articles in reputed journals. That academic interest has led me to join. I was offered a seat on the editorial board of the Indian Journal of Orthopedics. At the present time, I am a section editor for shoulder and elbow, like the whole upper limb section in the Indian Journal of Orthopedics. This is our national orthopedic journal for India. And in terms of practice, I'm associated with some corporate hospitals. I have a clinic space in Thaltej, but currently I'm working on my own place, and hopefully in the next few months I will have a state-of-the-art center ready for my own practice. So my motto is to provide the best global practices and expertise to my patients in Ahmedabad, and indeed rest of the Gujarat. What else? Right, on the personal front, I have two kids, aged 14 and 6. My older son is in 10th standard. He's now preparing for his board exams. My wife is a consultant anesthetist, and she is also looking forward to get involved with the club's activities. I play reasonably good badminton and table tennis, so any members with the same interest, I'd love to get involved with them. I enjoy music. I'm reasonably okay at playing flute and harmonica. So yeah, just to sum it up, I'm really excited at this new start, and I look forward to forming new bonds and relationships that will enrich my and our, my family's lives here in Ahmedabad. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Praveen bhai. Yeah, I'm glad all participants introduced themselves very well. Now we'll be able to connect much better. Thanks a lot, everyone. Over to you, Hemali Ben.
Yes, we are finished for today. Unfortunately, જે ચોથા પાર્ટિસિપન્ટ હતા મહેશભાઈ ખંબાટા, એમને કંઈક લાસ્ટ મિનિટ કંઈક એમરજન્સી આવી ગઈ એટલે એમને કેન્સલ કરવું પડ્યું. સો અનફોર્ચ્યુનેટલી આજે 4 ના બદલે આપણે ખાલી 3 ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન જ કર્યા છે. But of course, Vatsalbhai chipped in. Vatsalbhai, you will have your official turn also coming as a president-elect. I think it is that everybody gets to know you really, really well, and you get to know everybody really well. So we'll wrap up the meeting today. આપણે થોડી વાર માટે 10-15 મિનિટ માટે ઓપન રાખીએ મીટિંગ. જો કોઈને એકબીજા સાથે વાત કરવી હોય કે જે નવા મેમ્બર્સ આ છે જેમને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન કર્યું છે એમને કઈ પ્રશ્નો પૂછવા હોય તો that will be really good. So let's keep it open, Rutvijbhai, for about 10-15 minutes.
Fine.
તમારે કઈ અનાઉન્સમેન્ટ કરવી હોય ઋત્વિજભાઈ?
ના બસ નેક્સ્ટ મીટિંગ 17th ના છે, અને આપણે જે આપણી 25 વર્ષની રોટરીમાં જર્ની છે વિલ બી સેલિબ્રેટિંગ ધેટ, અને એ દિવસે ખાસ બધાને વિનંતી છે કે પોતે તો હાજર રહે અને પોતાના ઓળખીતા રોટરીમાં જે આપણા મેમ્બર્સ છે અત્યારના અને જૂના એ લોકોને બી કોમ્યુનિકેટ કરે અને મીટિંગમાં એટેન્ડન્સ મેક્સિમમ થાય એવો આપણે પ્રયત્ન કરીએ. we'll have a good time on this Thursday on 17th. મુકેશભાઈ, તમારો અવાજ બંધ છે મુકેશભાઈ.
Okay, I'm audible?
Yes.
I'm sorry I joined late. Actually, I'm in the car. I'm going back to my Santigram. And just I heard only Praveen. I missed the other two guys. Anyway, actually, I had a surgery in the morning, so could not join on time. Anyway, Praveen, welcome to the club. Are you there?
Thank you, Mukesh bhai.
Yes, I don't think we have met any time, and I'm practicing at Subhas in the Usmanpura, and hope to have you with us for a cup of coffee sometime.
Absolutely, sir. Sir, मैं सांभळ्યું છે. I've heard about you.
Hopefully good.
Absolutely.
But most welcome. You are a multifaceted personality. We'll love to see you very soon whenever the corona allows us to meet. And myself and Kalpesh, we are all good friends. We are batchmates actually, myself and Kalpesh.
Okay.
And very eager to see you. Actually, when I got your message on the group when you joined, actually, I welcomed you in group also.
Yes,
but it was a wonderful talk. I just could opportunity to hear you only today. I had some small surgery today morning. So anyway, all the best and hopefully to see you soon.
Thank you, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
I'll come to meet you.
Yes, Praveen. Yeah. Thank you, Himali Ben. Thank you, and Himali Ben, congrats to you and all the best. You are doing a great job. It's a really, what I can say, one of the new ventures going on in the club, and it's bringing us to a great mileage to the club. Thank you, Himali Ben, Rutvij, and Arpit. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukesh bhai. It's because of encouragement from senior members like you. તમે લોકો
Yes,
એકચ્યુઅલી
yes.
તમારા લોકોની પાસે ને ઇન્સ્પિરેશન આવ્યું કારણ જ્યારે અમે જોઈએ છે કે તમારા લોકોનું જે બોન્ડિંગ છે બધા સિનિયર મેમ્બર્સનું એ બધું જોઈએ ત્યારે વી ફીલ ધેટ સમવેર વી વર મિસિંગ ધેટ બોન્ડિંગ વિથ ધ ન્યૂ મેમ્બર્સ આઈ
Yes.
થિંક ધેટ વોઝ બીકોઝ એવું નહીં કે કોઈને કઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ હતા પણ જસ્ટ બીકોઝ આપણે એકબીજાને એટલું ઓળખતા નહોતા કે બોન્ડિંગ એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરી શકીએ એટલે આઈ
Yeah.
ફેલ્ટ necessary so that we could all come together and have that kind of fellowship and bonding that you guys have shared for so many years. And I'm sure with this program
Yes.
and all the je bada presidents avana che, the incoming presidents, they will carry forward this legacy so that when we also look back at the Rotary journey 10 years 15 years down the road, we'll have a very rich experiences and very rich memories to share.
Yes, the two things has come with this type of activity. One thing is that we know the newcomers very fast, and the second thing is now we know so many good speakers in our own club. So we were missing those things, कि भी भारतीय लोगों ने सोचा था. We have so many good people and experienced different type of job oriented people and professionals. So it's really good. Thank you, Madam.
હવે આપણને બધા એમઓસી ને ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન માટે બહુ બધા કેન્ડિડેટ મળી ગયા છે હવે આપણે ગોતવાની
Yes. Very true. Very
Emily,
true.
if you permit, can I update you about some?
Hi, Sanju.
Sure, Sanjeev bhai.
Nice to see you.
Actually, yes, Mukesh bhai. The Timba school project, which was halted because of this COVID situation, now it has already again started. So Falgun bhai is taking full care, and lots of work is in full swing now. So everything, the fencing work, the groundwork, and that has been yet because the laborers were not available. So now this has again started, and hopefully we'll complete in short time also. That's it, sir. Because it
Great, very
was
nice.
a very ambitious project of our club, and I think it should be finished by now.
Nice.
Thank you.
पर संजीव भाई एक बार खत्म हो जाए तो आप शेयर कर सकते हैं पिक्चर्स प्रोबब्ली इन वन ऑफ दिस फोरम्स ओनली कारण જે લોકોએ ટિમ્બાની સ્કૂલ જોઈ છે બિફોર ધીસ રેનોવેશન પ્રોજેક્ટ સ્ટાર્ટેડ ઇટ વોઝ ઇન સચ અ બેડ શેપ આપણે ત્યાં જઈએ તો આપણને એમ થાય કે કદાચ આ બિચારા છોકરા ઉપર આ છાપરું ક્યારે બી પડે એમ છે એટલી ખરાબ હાલતમાં આ સ્કૂલ હતી સો સંજીવભાઈ ટેકન ધીસ ફેન્ટાસ્ટિક ઇનિશિયેટિવ and I'm sure that once the school is done, not only the children but the whole village will be thankful for the initiative that Rotary took for the betterment of the whole village. So it is a fantastic thing that Sanjeev bhai stepped in. Falgun bhai is very dedicatedly working towards it. And once we see the pictures, the before after pictures, we'll realize that how as Rotarians we can really make a difference in somebody's life.
Yes, luckily our Paladi Kankaj school was completed by Yuva Unstoppable. So that phase was over. So,
संजीव भाई एक प्रोग्राम वहीं पे कर देंगे on one of the Sundays. We can whosoever is free and wants to join once it is complete.
yes.
Maybe 5 people, maybe 10 people, maybe 12 people. So
We can,
and their social distancing and other
further
things will not be a
progress,
problem.
Definitely we can do that, Kalpesh bhai.
and I will share pictures once there is some more progress. So that will be
Right.
appropriate.
Whenever you feel it is completed, then only. So we don't have to go again. Maybe 1 week, maybe 4 weeks, whatever time it takes. Maybe by Navratri or Diwali, whenever you and Falgun think that now we are done and we are taking an exit, at that point of time, we can plan it.
Sure. Thank you.
And 3-4 people in a car, so we can have 2, 3, 4 cars, and we can go following government
It's a good
rules.
picnic spot also. No problem.
And it would be beginning of meeting physically with proper care whenever, maybe after 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes. Sure.
And meanwhile, you can share pictures, whatever are there, so that people have an idea. We had printed some pictures in Metrorian also, and now if things have moved, the older ones and the current ones, what stage it is, you can share pictures.
Yes, sure, sir.
વાસ્તુ પૂજા કરાવી આપજો તમને ઈચ્છા થાય.
Which way we can close the meeting now? If
Yes.
anybody has.
Okay.
Yes, thank you everyone for joining. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Convey,
Thank you, Maliban.
Rutvij,
Thank you,
convey our
everyone.
best wishes to President, sir.
Okay, Sarji, thank you.
Hope he is fine and doing well.
He's
Maybe he has
completely
got
fine,
because of
health-wise, no
whatever reason.
issues. He's
What happened to
completely fine.
Arpit?
He is busy
Arpit
in
is-
some other work.
Okay, okay, okay.
Rutvij knows better, but he'll convey our wishes.
Sure, sure. He's completely fine. He's preoccupied with some work related to his house. So
No,
he's
no
not
problem.
able to join. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
So
you,
if
everyone.
Rutvij, if this gives you enough practice, you can file a nomination in December.
Yes, Rutvijભાઈ.
હું કહેવાનો હતો, હું હેમાલીબેન માટે કહેવાનો હતો.
ના એમાલીબેન ને જ્યારે કરવું હોય ત્યારે કરે, પણ મને લાગે તારે કે શ્રેયાંગે બે જણાએ પહેલા વારાફરતી કરી લેવું જોઈએ.
Lot of ready presidents in our club now.
હા, પણ પછી બધા એસ્કેપિઝમ કરે છે ને.
ચલો હું મીટિંગ બંધ કરું છું કલ્પેશભાઈ.
હવે vibrance. Yes, yes.
હવે એવા કમ્પલ્શન કરો કે સેક્રેટરી ને વાઇસ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ થાય અને કમ્પલસરી થવાનું, એટલે આગળનું નક્કી થતું જાય.
Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, bye bye. Have a good day.
की जरूरत है, हो जाएगा साहब.
Yes, yes. Good day to everybody.
Good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Enjoy the
Bye.
Sunday.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you very much.